Now, in this class, we will discuss the third problem. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeters and BC is equal to 7 centimeters. Determine firstly sin A cos A, second one sin C cos C. So now, first we draw triangle. In right angle triangle, this is one right angle triangle because right angle at B. So now this is A, this is B, this is C. ABC is one right angle triangle, and right angle at B, this is 90 degrees. So now angle is, what is here? AB is equal to 24 centimeters. This is 24. AB side 24. And BC is equal to 7 centimeters. BC 7 centimeters. But we don't know AC side. We don't know AC side. We have to find out AC side. Before that, observe first bit sin A cos A. Angle is at A position. Angle is at A. So let us take, we don't know angle. So let us take this is equal to theta. This is theta. So now we want to find out sin A and again cos A. And also this is the exact opposite side to this angle. This is equal to opposite side. This is opposite side. Exact opposite to this angle side is opposite side. And exact 90 degrees to this side, opposite to this side, this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. And at the same time, adjacent to the side, this is adjacent side. Once again, 90 degrees opposite to this side is hypotenuse, and the angle is at A. This is opposite to this BC side. This is opposite side. And adjacent to the BC side, this is adjacent side. You have to find out AC side using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is the definition of Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square, AC square. Hypotenuse square is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square value 24 square plus BC side value 7 square. So now AC square is equal to 24 square value 576 plus 7 square 49. So now AC square is equal to, this is the value 576 plus 49, this is equal to 625. So AC is equal to root 625 value is equal to perfect square root of 625 value, which is equal to 25. So now AC side value is equal to 25. So now coming to the first bit, that is first bit sin A at angle, sin at angle A is equal to, what is the, according to trigonometric ratio, sin A formula? Sin A formula is exactly sin A is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, which is equal to, what is hypotenuse? Opposite side value, which is equal to BC side divided by hypotenuse side is AC. So BC value, how much? BC value 7 upon 25. AC side value 25. Next, coming to the second bit. Sin A completed. Next, cos A. Cos A is equal to, what is the cos A formula? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side, this is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, which is equal to adjacent side value, that is AB. AB divided by hypotenuse value AC. which is equal to AB value 24 divided by AC side value 25. 24 divided by 25. So first bit over. Now coming to the second bit. Second bit is here sin C cos C. Angle position here, angle is present at A in the first bit. Coming to the second bit, angle is at C. So in this right angle triangle, observe in this right angle triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C. Angle is at C, that is theta. Let us consider theta. So now angle is present at C. This side is the exact opposite to this side, opposite to AB side. This is the opposite side. This is opposite side. This is the exact 90 degrees. Exact 90 degrees to this side. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And this is the adjacent to the BC side. This is adjacent side. Adjacent side. So now what is AB side? Already we know AB side 24 and BC side is 7. Hypotenuse side already AC we have completed. AC side value is 25. AC side 25. So now I want sin C. Sin C is equal to sin C, which is equal to what is sin C formula? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is opposite side value? Here AB divided by hypotenuse value is equal to hypotenuse side value is AC. So AB divided by AC. AB side value 24 divided by AC side value is 25. So now coming to the cos C. Sin C over. Next cos C. Cos C, which is equal to, according to this triangle. Triangle here, angle is positioned at C. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Cos C value is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is adjacent side. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, which is equal to what is adjacent side value? BC. So BC divided by hypotenuse value AC. So which is equal to BC side value. BC side value 7. 7 upon AC. AC side value is nothing but hypotenuse, which is equal to 25. So now sin C value 24 divided by 25. Cos C value 7 by 25. And one more thing you can observe here. In the first bit sin A cos A, angle is at A. In the second bit the angle is at C. So no need to confusion. Here I am taking at the angle A, I am taking theta. Otherwise you can take in place instead of A you can take theta also. Here instead of C you can take theta also. Theta is nothing but here angle is positioned at C. Here theta is nothing but angle is positioned at A. So no need to confuse. You can take only one diagram. Otherwise you can prefer two diagrams according to the problems. Right. Now coming to the next problem. Find tan P minus cot R. According to this triangle, you have to find out tan P minus cot R. So now in this right angle triangle, we have clearly PQ side, PR side, but we don't know QR side. So first of all, we have to find out QR side. QR side. So here, in Pythagoras, by using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem condition? PR square, hypotenuse square. This is hypotenuse. Exactly, this is 90 degrees opposite to this side. This is hypotenuse, and this is angle is present at P. Angle is present at P and again R. So we will discuss next. So now PR square is equal to side square plus sum of the squares of another two sides, PQ square plus QR square. But we have to find out QR square. QR square, which is equal to PR square minus PQ square. So QR square, which is equal to PR square value. What is PR square value? That is 13 square minus PQ square. PQ value is 12 square. So QR square, which is equal to 13 square value 169 minus 12 square value 144, which is equal to 169 minus 144. This value is equal to 25. So now QR value. So therefore QR, which is equal to QR is equal to root 25. Root 25 value, which is equal to 5. So QR side value 5. This value clearly 5. Now coming to the problem here, tan P. First you have to find out tan P. Next one cot R. Tan P value. So tan P is nothing but here angle is present at P. Angle is present at P. So now this is exactly opposite side. This is exactly hypotenuse, because 90 degrees is exactly opposite to the side PR side, that is hypotenuse. This side is nothing but opposite side. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Adjacent side. According to angle P, this is the opposite side. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. So now I want tan P. Tan P formula. Tan P is nothing but opposite side divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side. Opposite side value how much? QR divided by adjacent side value, that is PQ, which is equal to QR value is 5 divided by PQ value is 12. This is tan P. Next, cot R. Cot R means cot R. This is the adjacent side divided by opposite side, which is equal to. So now here angle is at R. Angle is at R means, so this is the triangle. This is P. This is Q. This is R. Angle is here exact 90 degrees Q. Angle is present at R. Here tan P, this angle is present at P. Here angle is must be present at R. So now this is the exact opposite 90 degrees to the side. This is hypotenuse, and this is exact angle is present at R, which is exactly opposite to PQ. This is opposite side. This is opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Adjacent side. What is hypotenuse value? Already. Now here actually your angle is at R, which is clearly opposite to the side. Opposite side value according to diagram, this is the 12 and this hypotenuse value is 30. This is the base. Only when the angle is position is changes, it will be opposite. Already at angle P, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent side. But the angle is R, which is the opposite, this is the adjacent side. So what is adjacent side value? Adjacent side value is QR divided by opposite side value is PQ, which is equal to QR value is 5 by PQ value is 12. So therefore, according to the problem, tan P minus cot R, tan P minus cot R, which is equal to tan P value 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, which is equal to 0. So now observe here, tan P minus cot R means here P is at angle theta, here R is nothing but exact angle is theta. It will be completely different. First you have to find out tan P, next one cot R. Right. So now next problem, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and again tan A. So let us take in right angle triangle, this is the right angle triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. In right angle triangle, angle is at B. Angle is at B. And again, sin A value also given. So now this is the angle at A. Angle is at A. That is cos A. You have to find out cos A and tan A. Angle position is at A. Or you can take cos theta or tan theta. So this is the exact hypotenuse. This is clearly hypotenuse, and this is the exactly angle to this BC side. This is opposite side. This is angle. This is the angle is adjacent to the BC side. This is adjacent side. Adjacent side. So now in this condition, sin A which is equal to 3 by 4, which is nothing but sin A is equal to 3 by 4, nothing but here adjacent side divided by, sin A formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. This is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. But we don't know AC side. Before that, we have to find out AC. So using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, AC square which is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square here. So what is the opposite side value here? Opposite side value is clearly 3. Opposite side value clearly 3. Hypotenuse value is clearly 4. Hypotenuse value is 4. According to the data, sin A is equal to 3 by 4. This is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side value 3. Hypotenuse side value is 4. We don't know adjacent side. That means we have to find out adjacent side AB. So now AB square which is equal to, this value take this side, AC square minus BC square. So AB square which is equal to, what is AC value, that is 4 square, minus BC side value is 3 square. So now AB square which is equal to 4 square value is 16 minus 3 square, that is 9. So AB square is equal to 7. AB is equal to root 7. AB is equal to root 7. This is the adjacent side value is root 7. Adjacent side value is root 7. Now find out cos A and again tan A. Cos A is equal to, according to the right angle triangle, cos A formula, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, which is equal to, adjacent side value is AB divided by hypotenuse value is AC. What is AB value? So root 7 divided by AC side value is 4. Root 7 by 4. So now tan A is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, which is equal to opposite side value nothing but what? BC side. So BC divided by adjacent side value is AB, which is equal to BC side value is 3 by AB side value is root, adjacent side value is root 7. So root 7 by 4 one value, tan A value 3 by root 7.